All right, guys, this is Joshua. Josh is back for a follow-up. Believe it or not, this was platelet-rich plasma. This was combined with Minoxidil and Finasteride, so he was prescribed Finasteride by his physician, which you don't have to take those things, but when you team those approaches up, you can get some fantastic results with PRP, and this is an awesome result. We did 6 treatments. This is before. The PRP treatments take about 45 minutes in clinic. This is before, and this is after. Now, PRP is not designed to bring back follicles that are gone, but it's designed to thicken up what you have. Josh and I were talking before. This is Josh, the man himself.
Hello.
Josh, how you doing?
Doing great.
Guys, have a look at this. So let's just have a look at the texture. So what plasma is designed to do is thicken up the texture of the individual hair shafts, elongate the growing cycle of the follicle, make it thicker and stronger. The longer the growing cycle of the follicle, the more hairs the follicle will produce, and the wider hair the follicle will produce. So if you've got follicles that are gone completely, as he had in his crown area in places, it's not going to bring those back. But it does an amazing job of thickening and controlling hair loss. And remember, you lose 50% of the hair in the area before you notice it. So if you see hair loss and you don't do anything, you come back in a year's time, you're going to be worse off. So the first thing we talk about when we do a treatment program is controlling hair loss, getting hair loss under control, really important in young men. And just have a look at this, guys. This is a great result. 6 treatments, Finasteride prescribed by his physician, and Rogaine, that 3-step process. And just look at this. Josh, you and I were talking before. Your wife, what did she mention about your hair? She was...
I was having her put the Minoxidil in, and she said, "Where am I supposed to put it? I don't have access to the scalp anymore." So we were just having a great laugh about that because it had grown back so substantially.
It's awesome, isn't it? And if we think about that, you also mentioned, you kind of feel like your hairline's lower, right?
Yeah.
Have a look at the front of this hairline. It's not really that it's lower, it's just that it's thicker. So what happened is you don't see through the hair the same. You can almost see the shape of the top of the scalp when you look at that before picture and you look at it in the after and it's gone. Josh, how does it feel to have the hair loss under control, man?
Feels great. I actually wouldn't expect it to boost my confidence, but it really has. It's one of those things where you don't realize until you actually go through it. So it's been great. I love it.
It's exciting, isn't it, man?
Yeah.
Congratulations, you're doing great. Thank you for your trust.